माँ यार, माँ वीडियो बना रही हूँ यार, आप ही की ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन दिखाने के लिए। रुक जाओ ना, आ रही हूँ, 2 मिनट। Hello everyone, this is T and welcome to my channel Accessorize Me. And as I promised in my first video, that I'm gonna show my mom's jewelry collection. So here it is today. आज हम झूले पे वीडियो बनाएंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि I literally have nowhere else to make a video. I'm at my mom's place and this is my gym section, as you can see, my kickboxing setup. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video here. Anyways, let's begin today's video. I'm gonna show my mom's collection, jewelry collection, as I promised in my first video. And as these days silver jewelry and like the metal jewelry is so much in trend, so I'm showing all of the metal jewelry collection. All of the real jewelry collection is, obviously I can't show that, but you can see some of the photos that I wore in my marriage. I love kundan jewelry, so I picked my lehenga based on my jewelry. So I really love that jewelry, so you guys can see it here. And you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. You can follow me there and you can see all of the jewelry there. So anyways, let's start with today's jewelry collection. I have like a lot lot of jewelry. Oops, my mom is gonna kill me. Okay, I'm gonna put it safely here. So this is how she arranges her jewelry. I really love this bag. So anyways, I have a lot of jewelry here, but I'm not gonna show all of them. I'm gonna show just some of my favorite ones. There are lots more, but then this video will be too long. I don't want to do that. So let's start. Which one should we start with? Let's start with this one only. So this is like a very old collection, and I remember a lot of actresses from that time used to wear something like this. It's very it's very simple, but I really love this style. I really love actually the actresses from that time, the kind of fashion sense they had, and they used to be beautiful. The kind of jewelry they used to wear, I love those old from my mom's era. So yeah, this is from that era, but still very elegant and very very classy, very good. This is the second one that she has. This is called the rice pearls. As you can see, looks like rice. So these are rice pearls. These are beautiful, I love them. But we're talking about metal jewelry, so let's get into metal jewelry first. Okay, I want to show you something very special. I love this one. This is a pendant, obviously, as you can see. The chain is missing. I'm gonna put a chain here, so I'm gonna make it till here, this long, but you can see this is from my mom's college time. So this is from my mom's college time, and I love this one. uh, this is something that people used to wear earlier, but now it's in trend again, these kind of pendants, and I love this. So I'm gonna get it cleaned and I'm gonna put a chain in it. I love this one, so I'm taking it now. But I love that one. But she recently bought a lot of metal jewelry, so let's start with this one. This is huge. I don't know. I don't think so I'll ever wear this, but it looks awesome on mom. She wears it with kosa saris and all of that, and this is just pretty, very very pretty. These kind of metal jewelries are again back in trend, and they have some amazing collection. As in the first video that I shared, the collection from Janjaria, they have similar kind of, they are bringing back all of the old jewelry collections. And this is the choker that I showed you. Janjaria has the similar kind of choker. My mom has the similar kind. And the other ones, let me show you some other jewelries. Okay, this is very much in trend, this one also. I've seen a lot of actresses wear this. You can wear it with jeans or kurta, white kurta and all of that. Actually, that's the beauty about metal jewelries. You can wear it with anything. You wear it with sari, you wear it with jeans, you wear it with salwar kurta. It's gonna look amazing. So all of the real jewelry collections, you can't wear that all the time. You can't. You have to like match it with your dress. But all of these kind of jewelries, you can just wear it any number of times and with any number of clothes, but it's gonna look amazing all the times. So I love this one. So this is, I'm not gonna wear it, but you get the idea. You guys might have seen a lot of similar like similar to these ones. So yeah, similar to that is this one. My mom loves long pieces, so, and she goes to kitty parties and all of that, and this get very nicely utilized. I don't go anywhere. I don't have a social life. Yeah, my mom is much cooler than me. Yeah, let's not get there. So this one again is very pretty. I love this one. It's too much noise here. I don't like that. Okay, I have this beautiful collection which you wear with kosa sari and it's gonna look awesome. So I also want to wear a kosa sari, but I think so it's very heavy maintenance. At the same time, like, I don't know how to manage it, or maybe I did not get a occasion that I can actually wear it. But I do want to. I love saris, and I don't get to wear it so much. So this one, I love this one. So you can see it here. You can wear it with a dress, and it's gonna look amazing. It's a very tribal looking piece, but I love it. Like, it's a very tribal looking piece, and I love these kind of jewelries. It has thread work. This is all thread, so it has thread work. And if you wear something like this, like a deep neck, I'm wearing a dress, so it camouflages with my dress, but it's gonna look amazing with a gown also. But with saris, it looks, I've seen my mom wearing it and I love it. So this is one of my favorite pieces of her. So all of these are good. Again, similar to something like that, I'll show you another one which is pretty heavy. Again, I've seen her wearing this with a sari only, but she has like a white what do you say, churidar salwar kurta, and that is like wo jo gher wala hota hai, I don't remember the name. So she wears basically with a sari, but this is again so cool. See, this is so cool. This is all gonna be mine. I'm gonna take all of these jewelries. I don't know where I'll wear it. My mom goes to a lot of functions, so she gets to wear it. But these kind of things, you have to have like a good occasion, then only you wear it. Otherwise, if I wear it with my friends, they'll be like, क्यों इतना overdress होके क्यों आई है तू? हैं? घर पे बैठ के chill करने वाले हैं. I love you, friends. I love all of you. So yeah, this one is again my favorite. It's very tribal looking thread work collection, but this is amazing. So all of these jewelries, this is one of the hand kada. Too much noise. I don't want to irritate you guys. This is good. I like this one also. But what else should I show you people? This one is like munga bolte hain shayad isko, काम, but this is again very pretty. very easy to wear. I love this one actually. It looks amazing on me. So you can wear it with a dress like this. But oh, it looks awesome. I love this one actually. So until unless you wear a jewelry, you're not gonna realize how beautiful it looks. So that's why every time my mom shows me a jewelry and I'm like, ठीक लग रहा है. She's like, you have to wear it to understand it. And I'm like, I have no fashion sense. So anyways, I'm learning, but I love this one actually. I was not thinking to show this one to you guys. I didn't think it was that pretty, but this looks beautiful. You can see it here. It has amazing work, and when you wear it with a dress, then you understand how beautiful it looks. So I love this one till now. So that's it. I have few other ones like this one. This one is a very weird one. Very modern. I don't know. I've never seen my mom wear it. Yeah, there's a tag still there. So yeah, this might also look nice with like a broad shoulder. People who have broad shoulders, this will look amazing on dresses. So yeah, so this is it for today's video. This is just like a fun video that I promised I'll do in the start of my YouTube channel, like the first video that I made. And I hope you like this small fun video of my mom's accessory collection, and I'll be making more accessory videos soon. Also check out my solo trip videos. I went on a solo trip to Rajasthan, so do check out that. All of the links are in the description box below. Hope you guys are liking what I'm doing here, so please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and if you have any questions, comment on the comment section below. And I love you.